Welcome to another video on how to use the Fence Genius web app to design and edit your fence system. We currently work with wood fence panels, and there's four primary styles that we work in. The horizontal lattice top, the vertical lattice top, arch and convex panels, and then a 3-rail type system where you can make board patterns with 3 rails. In the future, hopefully we'll have horizontal lattice or horizontal panels, but we don't currently carry those. Anyway, let's take a look in this video at how to design and edit horizontal lattice top panels. So let's go here to this job that I was working with just previously for the vertical lattice top, and we'll select a horizontal lattice. And we can just simply by clicking, bring that style into the system and have it update. And every panel is unique for that system. And as you can see here, it's all the parts and pieces are actual data, so they're all captured. But let's go edit this. So I'm going to go to the Panel Style tab. And once I'm there, I can clone this panel style so I don't totally change it. I've got an original of it. And that way I can then edit the clone style. So now it's up. The clone is down here somewhere. But let me go into this and edit it. And what types of things can I do here? Let's go down. You can do the normal things like moving the rail up if you want, or adding another rail in the middle. But here in the lattice area, I can change like the sizes of each component. So maybe I want that to be 3 1/4 or 3 1/2. I can change the gap sizes. I can add elements here if I want to. I can also do things like change the board styles that are behind the lattice. So maybe I want to make this a 6-inch and this a 4-inch, and so then that would further change the way my lattice looks. So those are some of the types of things I can do. I can also top and bottom gap, maybe I want that to be 0, so it's flush to the edge of the rails, and that's kind of a common look. But I like this panel. I think now I'll save it. And then I can go back to my fence system and see how it actually works its way through the terrain of my job site. So I'll go to the fence system. And now this system shows that fence panel that I just designed, including every part and piece that's needed to produce it using the pre-manufacturing workflow. So just remember, everything in here is actual data, so it's all reproducible. So anyway, thanks for taking the time for another video, and happy fence building.